Myself, Sachin Mahansaria, founder of Mishtan culture. So I run a multiple retail chain outlet of my sweet shop and of my farsan and namkeen. So basically, I'm in Aha today, Pune Gas Company. Trust me, a wonderful solution, and they have come out with a beautiful product where we use the traditional 19 liter gas. उसमें बहुत challenges है और इनके जो product है, right? First of all, a huge cost saving which every businessman looks. Second, आपकी जो गैस वेस्टेजेस होती है वो एकदम ज़ीरो हो गई. एंड प्लस जो ये 47.5 लीटर्स का जो इनके पास सोल्यूशन है, मार्वलस. I would try and I would request each and everyone to please visit to Pune Gas Company and understand their product in detail. It's a ball changer game from the traditional method what we are using. So all the best Pune Gas Company once again, and good work, keep it up and you will prosper a lot.